What are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today? We're gonna learn how to read. Yeah! Yay! Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. I'm so glad to see you. Today we're going to practice some reading and writing. Now you're going to need 3 things when you join me. You're going to need a pencil, you're going to need a piece of paper, and you're going to need a good attitude. Today we're going to try some really hard things and it might be difficult, but remember, I'm here to help you. Are you ready? Let's go! Parents, feel free to go to my website, www.letssimplifyreading.com, to download this bookmark that will help your child throughout the lesson. Okay, readers, get out your bookmarks. We're going to go ahead and review some of our double letter sounds. Follow along and do the gestures with me. T-H, T-H, what do you say? The, 3. C-H, C-H, what do you say? Chicken. S-H, S-H, what do you say? Sh, 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 sh. W-H, W-H, what do you say? Whistle. Q-U, Q-U, what do you say? Question? A-R, A-R, what do you say? Art. Okay, let's go shopping and get ready to get everything you want. O-R, O-R, what do you say? Or, store. Let's go shopping. Get that? E-R, E-R, what do you say? Flower. Smell your flower. I-R, I-R, what do you say? Bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. U-R, U-R, what do you say? Purse. Wow, you did such a great job. If you feel like you raced through those and you don't remember the sounds, that's okay. Feel free to rewind the video and do them again. Okay, readers, now that we've reviewed our double letter sounds, we're going to go ahead and put these into action and decode or read some words. Remember, you're going to want to be looking for the sounds that we've just reviewed. Let's go! Are you ready? Do you have your writing utensil and paper? We're going to write down all these words. I want you to do your best. Go ahead and remember that you have your bookmark that you can use if you need help. Okay, friends, let's take our time and write down this word. Write down the letters S, H, I, R, and T. If you need more time, feel free to pause this video. I-R, I-R, what do you say? Bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. Reading can be tough, so let's do this together. Hopefully you see that there is S-H. What I like to do is underline when I see 2 double letter words. Shh. Then you hopefully also saw there was I-R. Let's add a line under that too. Okay, let's put those together. Sh, sure, t. Yes! The word is shirt. You could use this in a sentence like, the shirt is black. Good job. Let's try another one. Add the letters H, U, R, T. Remember, if you need more time, feel free to pause this video. Oh no! There's an ambulance. I hope everyone's okay. Hi, my name's the letter U R. I ended up tripping and hurting my knee. I say the sound If I make the sound let's figure out what the rest of the letters say. H makes her, and T makes t, t, hurt. You could use the word hurt in a sentence like, I am hurt. Thanks, Doc. You made me feel a lot better. It's now time for Match That Sound. Oh yeah, time to test and see if you understand the letters IR and what sound they make. Mama cow with IR is missing her calf. She needs to find a word that has the sound IR in it. Let's see. Would Mama cow be looking for her calf with the owl? Would she be looking for her calf with the cupcake? Or would she be looking for the calf with the word stir? Can you decide? Mama Cow's so happy! IR does belong in the word stir. Good job, friends! Are you ready to try one last word? Let's go! Okay, friends, with this word, I want you to write down the letters B, U, R, and N. This time, though, I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure out this word on your own. I'll give you a clue. Look first for double letter sounds that we've reviewed. Then add the rest of the sounds that are in the word. B, n, b, bur, n, burn. In step 3, we will be using our sounds to spell words. Let's try spelling some words together. Oh, these leaves are so peaceful. This is called a fern. Our first word today is going to be the word fern. Can you spell that? Okay, friends, so I gotta admit, learning how to spell is super difficult. There's 2 strategies that I'm about to show you that make it so easy. The first thing you want to do is say your word slowly. The second thing you want to do is then ask yourself, what letter matches this sound? Okay, let's try this together. I'm going to say the word slowly, and then I'm going to ask myself, what letter matches this sound? Do it with me. F. Okay, there's 3 different types that we can use for the sound. I'm going to use ER. N. F-E-R-N. spells fern. Oh, okay, it's time to test your skills. Now remember, right now we're practicing our double letter sounds, ER, IR, and UR. Now, if you don't get this correct, don't feel bad. This is definitely something where you have to learn exactly where these double letters go. It's okay to make a mistake, and practicing helps you get better each time. Pause the video and see if you can spell this word. Our word is dirt. D-R-T. Dirt. The correct way to spell dirt is D-I-R-T. Now, if you accidentally put ER or UR in the middle instead of IR, you should be super proud of yourself and give yourself a pat on the back. The fact that you can identify the double letter sounds that go with the sound is a huge accomplishment. Good job. You might see the word dirt used in a sentence like, the dog played in the dirt. Thanks for joining me today, friends. I hope you had a great time. Remember, reading and spelling can be very hard, but if you keep trying and practicing, you'll get there and you'll be an amazing reader, like you already are. Have a great day. Parents and educators, remember, you're doing a great job by helping your student. If you enjoyed this video and feel like it helped, feel free to click the subscribe button. That way you get the quickest access to new videos. Don't forget, I have extra resources on my website at www.letssimplifyreading.com. We're also launching extra new plush hands-on literacy buddies that will help your student be motivated to learn and help them independently practice these same reading skills. Keep a lookout.